In this lesson, we're going to learn some terms for our kākahu, or clothing items. Okay, let's get into it. Tarau iti are our underwear. A pariu is a bra. Tōkena are our socks. Hu are shoes. Tarau are trousers. Jeans are known as tini. Tarau poto are shorts. A panekoti is a skirt. A hingareti is a singlet. A tihate is a t-shirt. A jersey is called a poraka. A koti is a coat. A pōtai is a hat. And in winter months, a beanie is called a pini. Not to be confused with beans, which is also pini. Anyway, let's look at more formal clothes. A suit is called a hutu. A neketai is a necktie. And a hate is a shirt. The traditional term for clothes is pueru. We call pajamas pueru moe, or clothes for sleep. Neat, eh? Anyway, here are some kupu you can use for our kākahu, or clothes. Tēnā karawhiua.